It's 2021. The world is still in and out of lockdowns. Nothing seems real anymore. Confusion, but also that deep feeling within to just go for a quiet walk in nature. My work hours have been reduced. Not much for me to do. All this free time I have. So there is one solution. A morning walk in the local woods. They seem unattached by world's affairs. Birds still fly around and sing their songs out loud. It's a beautiful January's day. The minute I step into this natural world, I feel freedom of no rush, no expectations, no tasks to accomplish, but peace and joy in my being. Why is it so nice here, but not out there? I ask myself. So, as days were passing by, I started to spend my free time in the woods. Met someone with a dog from time to time, but I was absorbed by the trees, stillness and clear mind. I started to appreciate this space more each day, thanking God for this beautiful creation, a masterpiece. Only if human could care more about it and stop destroying this precious natural world that helped many and still does to this day. Where would one go to recharge, get inspiration, and listen to beautiful sounds for free? Then, with spring arrival, I would visit a meadow, hidden gem. How lucky I felt, such a beautiful place. Being in nature brought back childhood memories when we used to spend much time outdoors, climbing trees and being active, especially in the summer holidays. Then all of that changed for me when I left home and moved to a big city. London was crazy, and as a young 20-something, I was determined to make a living. With that, I completely disconnected myself from natural world. And it was in those moments when I sat peacefully under the tree or walked around that more ideas were flowing into my mind. I started to journal as well, and most importantly, I finally understood the real meaning of life, which is to slow down, not to chase things that I really don't need. I can relax by taking a walk in the park, woods, meadow, or in own garden, by the sea, without dreaming of places far and wide, because when you open your eyes and heart, you appreciate the beauty that's around you. Birds, morning songs, and no need to explain myself to anyone about my choices, but also to do my best to take some time for myself, prioritizing my own well-being. This is the story of me and nature.